to Jobfair Worldwide. My name is Mr. Snow, and today we'll be conducting a video interview and assessment. This video will be viewed by millions of our members as well as our employers throughout our network and interfaces. Do we have your permission to proceed?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now I'm going to ask you a few simple questions today. All I need you to do is look directly at the camera and answer as cleanly as you possibly can. Is this tone of voice, by the way, okay for you?
Yes, sir.
All right. And your tone of voice currently is good.
Thank you.
All right. Can you please state your name, age, and nationality?
My name is Sadana Singh. I am 27 years old, and I'm Guyanese.
All right. How did you hear about Jobfair Worldwide?
I saw it on the internet.
Okay. Do you have any special training or technical skills?
Well, other than secondary education, I am a professional nurse, and I also do crash courses while I'm currently employed at this organization I'm working with the government.
Prior to coming into our office, of course, you were asked if you have basic computer experience, ability to use programs like Word, Excel, Access. Your response to that question was yes. Is that affirmative?
Yes, Microsoft Computer Studies and history and all the excessive stuff.
Okay, so you do some computerized accounting?
Yes, I am certified. So.
Okay, perfect. Are you currently working in a computer-based environment?
Yes, I am.
Okay, what is your function?
My function is a registration clerk, so I do a lot of mapping, graphing, because where I'm working deals with national IDs and location reports and verifications of people, address.
Do you build any databases?
At some point, yes. We use a software called Merlin, which was built by us, a team of 7 persons, and it's basically to help us know if a person is in the system or not.
Yeah, did you have hands in the development of that software?
At one particular phase, yes, like the data entry part and the fingerprint assessment stuff. So.
Okay, but not the real technical.
Not the building of the entire software.
Oh, that's what I was curious about. Because that could definitely take you far, really far. All right. Okay. Do you have a good command of the English language?
To an extent, but then I would use it according to my discretion, because the type of people we deal with are not basically people who would understand farm English, because within the country areas of Guyana, it's more Creole
English,
and
yes. Creole. Okay, but you could communicate accurately with people who speak English
of all aspects of work, yes, because we travel a lot.
Okay, perfect. All right, on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best.
Yes.
Okay, how would you rate your reading ability?
I would put it at 10 because I'm confident that I could do well in whatever I pursue.
Great, perfect. Can you just read this paragraph aloud for us, as it's written?
As mentioned in the opening article, Gregory suffers from an anxiety disorder. My excessive worrying was about the proportion and out of control, he says. How did Gregory remain controlled? To get perspective, he said, I accept the kind of help my wife and friends. I also sought professional assistance and learned more about my condition. After making some lifestyle changes, I began to feel that I was in control of my condition. Not that it was in control of me. Although I still experience bouts of anxiety, I now have a better sense of what triggers them, and I know how to manage my disorder.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, next we're going to be touching on your math. Right? You're going to be asked a series of second grade level math questions indicating to you the children of the age of 7 actively answer these questions in school. You're going to be given 5 seconds to answer each, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And I'm only allowed to state the question 1 time, so it's imperative that you pay attention to what's being said. But they're all fairly simple, basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Right? You just have to let me know when you're ready to start.
You're ready.
Okay. 120 plus 120.
240.
1,000 plus 8,220.
9,220.
450 plus 5,000.
950.
10,000 minus 5,500.
4,500.
40,000 minus 23,000.
17,000.
100,000 minus 0.
100,000.
12 times 12.
72.
9 times 7.
56.
13 times 5.
30
Skip.
then.
1,000 times 0.
0.
50 divided by 10.
50 divided by 10. 5.
250 divided by 5.
5.
100 divided by 25.
4.
100 divided by 20.
5.
That concludes the math portion. Alright, currently you're employed, and we already went over what it is that you do. Okay. What's the reason that you want to leave or get something new?
Basically, I'm looking to advance myself more in the career field because working with the government is one thing. It's a nice benefits, yes. The pay is good, but according to our country and what's really going on, I'm looking for other options to better myself.
Okay. Be a little bit more versatile, have some more options available to you.
Yes. Well, I don't know if there's a possibility for part-time jobs.
Yes, we do have full-time, part-time, and
Well,
contracted work.
I think I would be more interested in the part-time until.
Okay. Now, two final questions. One, what do you want to do with your life?
I want to be able to own my own business one day.
Okay. What type of business?
Morely into something that would educate children and provide more jobs for people who can't really afford to go on a far distance to work.
Okay. And finally, why should someone hire you?
I think I'm capable enough to do the job, and my confidence. I might not be perfect at the first, but I get there as I work along.
All right, great. Thank you very much. That concludes this portion of the assessment.